Good evening and welcome to UM66. My name is Laura Maurer, news anchor.
And my name is Brianna Geiger, your co-host.
And we're here to report to you tonight about state spending and how much is invested on schools and education.
We have two special guests in our studio tonight to help us understand the information we've collected.
So we're going to turn it over to Nick and Allison, our statisticians.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nick Burnbrook.
And I'm Allison Lagevich. Thank you for joining us.
Now, as you can see by this chart showing Eastern spending on the left and Western spending on the right, there are much different trends of spending between them.
On the East Coast, there seems to be higher numbers of spending, the information being unimodal, meaning the information has one big common trend, in this case around $9,000, and skewed to the left, meaning that the data trickles off down the chart into the bigger numbers.
But on the West Coast, the spending is much less, also being unimodal around $8,000, with only an occasional outlier of uncommon numbers in the double digits.
Now back to Laura and Brianna with the analysis.
Thank you, Allison. Now, from that information, we were able to pull a 5-number summary out to help us understand the info.
For example, we found that the mean or the average of the information is 9,223.3, and then the standard deviation, or how spread out the information generally is 2,750.1.
If we were to break down these numbers into a box and whisker chart, the first quartile, or first 25% of the info, would be around 7,759. The third quartile, or the last 25%, would be around 10,586. 8,581 would be the median, or the centermost value of all these numbers.
And that's all the time we have. Thank you for watching UM66.